At NextWorldCommunications, we've been securing what matters most for over 20 years. Whether you're in California or Connecticut, we ship our camera system across the US and Canada right to your doorstep. Our cameras are durable and weather-resistant, built to handle the harshest conditions. HD clarity, day and night, with panoramic dual lenses for 0 blind spots, plus two-way audio in real time. By purchasing our exclusive lifetime service protection plan, customers get access to hassle-free support and rapid replacement services, and the lowest deductible in the industry. Need installation? We've got you covered in selected cities and states across the US. Or choose DIY installation with our simple setup. Our camera are power over Ethernet, just one cable, plug and play. And the best part? Easy financing with low monthly payments. Protection is now more affordable than ever. We proudly work with installers and distributors nationwide. NWC360 is your trusted, tested, and tailored for businesses and homes security camera. Visit us online at NextWorldCommunications.com or call us at 877-3310757 to learn more. And don't forget to follow us on social media for updates, tips, and secure your world.